All right, what's going on, guys? This is Mitchell Reese. I'm your Utah realtor, and in this channel, if you're new, is all about exploring new construction inventory in Utah, because too many people move here and just settling on a house, not getting into their dream home because they don't know what's available. And if you want to contact me when you find that right place, my number will be up on screen, 801-835-9368. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this Toll Brothers house. It's not a model home, but it is furnished and decorated in the main area so that you have a little bit of inspiration of what it's like to live here. So this is in the Westlake Vistas community, known as the Mill Creek Plan. So thank you so much for coming to the channel. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our tour. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming to the video. As always, I love showing these homes, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the inside, but there it is in all of its glory. Toll Brothers is the builder. We're in the Westlake Vistas community. This is the Mill Creek floor plan, and the design and the elevation is known as the Prairie elevation. Saratoga Springs, Utah is where it's located. 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 4,292 square feet, an ADU with its own walkout basement down there. And it's listed at $1.14 million. So that is the price for this home if you are interested in a Toll Brothers home. And my number was on the screen earlier, but my number to get in contact, call or text is 801-835-9368. And if you're interested in that, or even if you're not necessarily interested in Toll Brothers itself, but you want some new construction or any real estate needs in Utah, go ahead and get in contact with me. I'm helping people from all over the country every week. And thank you so much for watching. We're going to go ahead and let the rest of the tour play. Enjoy, guys. All right, guys, what did you think of this Mill Creek plan? Let me know in the comments down below. What would you change? What would you make different? What did you love about this place? I want to hear all about it. And then let me know other communities you'd like to see as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love it when homes like this have those super tall ceilings and huge open living areas. So to recap, this home had 6 bedrooms. We had 6 bathrooms. Like I said, that nice wide open space in the family living area. And an ADU with its own entrance in the basement. Once again, thank you for coming to the video. I really appreciate when you guys watch them and contact me. I'm helping people every week all over the country with moving into Utah or all around Utah. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give me a call or text when you are ready, when you find that right place, 801-835-9368. But as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next tour.